Okay, Felicity, so here is Lavender's Blue. I'm going to play it for you so you have a model of what you should be playing and to understand how the rhythm and everything works. And then I'll go over what we could work on improving on it. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out here. A few things I want to point out is that which hand should be playing this first line? I noticed you were swapped and let the right hand play that. We want to let the left hand start us off for this piece. We also have a few other things. Is your eighth notes we're a little bit slow. We want a nice 1 and 2 and 3, and that sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and so the eighth notes are obviously faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and we definitely want to hear that. So that's what I would like you to work on counting. So I would probably practice these two measures together, so measures 1 and 2. Practice counting out that rhythm by itself. I would do that about 3 times. Then you can do the same thing here. Practice measures, this is B measure 5 and 6 together. Play those, count them very carefully. Play that about 3 times every time. All right, here's another thing. We had a little bit of a pause in between here, and I understand maybe that was coming from you've got to play these both hands together. When that happens, it shows you probably need to spend more time working on that small section and understanding how the parts work together. So I would work on those two measures, measures 7 and 8, and play those hands together. Play those again, just those two measures together about 3 times, and evaluate. Are you getting better? Is it easier? Are you understanding the notes that you're playing a little bit easier so that I can have a nice smooth transition here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you notice I was playing that faster and faster each time I played through it. You want to be able to play it as fast as you can reasonably in the right rhythm, because the faster you can do it, the easier it'll be to piece the parts together. And actually it'll be a relief when you slow it down into, so you're like, oh, this is easy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, because that's so much easier. All right, so that's what I would look at there. All right, and then again, you could do that same kind of thing down here, but this is an exact repeat of up there, so I wouldn't worry about spending that time necessarily by itself. The other thing I want to point out is this part here. You want to watch out for that part, because you weren't crossing your second finger over your thumb. We should have the second finger crossing over the thumb.